All right, so let's look at this equation in this statement, and let's write an equation of a line when it says write an equation of a line when it passes through 2 points. So we have a point of 3, -4, and -2 or 2, -6. What we need to find first is the slope. We can't write this in standard form because we have to actually have intercepts. We can't write this in slope-intercept form because we don't have the slope and we don't have the intercept. So we can write this in point slope, and then we're going to convert it to the other forms. So first we're going to find our slope, and this is going to be my my x sub 2 and my y sub 2. So I'm going to say -6 minus -4. Okay, my formula for slope is y sub 2 minus x sub 2 over y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus y sub 1. So that's 2 minus 3. Using same change, I get -6 plus 4, which is -2. 2 minus 3 is -1. My slope is 2. So now I am going to actually write this with both points, because I want to show you that it doesn't matter, that you will get the same answer with either point that you use. So for point 1, this is going to be my first point. I'm just going to write it into the equation of the line. Remember, for point slope form, my equation is y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. So I'm just going to substitute in y minus -4. So y minus -4 equals 2 times the quantity of x minus 3. I'm not going to leave it that way. I'm going to say y plus 4 equals 2x minus 3. And then for point 2, same thing. So this is going to be my point 2. So I'm going to say y minus -6 equals 2 times the quantity of x minus 2. And when this is and when I simplify, this is going to be x plus 6 equals 2 times the quantity of x minus 2. So now we have this. Okay, so we have our 2 points. We have the point of y plus 4 equals 2 times the quantity of x minus 3, and we have the point of y plus 6 equals 2 times the quantity of x minus 2. So now we are going to just convert this into slope-intercept. Remember, our slope-intercept is y equals mx plus b. And I'm going to put this in a different color. So when we do this, we're going to say y plus 4. Or in this, we're going to use our distributor property. So 2x minus 3. So we're going to say y plus 4 equals 2x minus 6. And then we're going to subtract 4 on both sides, and we get y equals 2x minus 10. Here, we're going to also use our distributive property. 2x, 2 is going to be multiplied by x and -2. We get y plus 6 equals 2x minus 4. Subtract 6 on both sides, and we get y equals 2x minus 10. So notice that when we convert this from point slope into slope-intercept, we have the exact same answer. Also notice that our slope right here is 2, same as what we found here. So this shows that we did our math correctly. We also simplified the y minus -4 to y plus 4, and we substituted everything correctly. To make a little bit of room for standard form, we would say here, I'm going to write small here, that'd be -2x plus y equals -10. if we were to write that in the standard form, and then we would just make everything the opposite. 2x minus y equals 10. So this would be the equation in standard form. So what we have successfully done is used either point to write it into point slope, converted it into slope-intercept, and then using algebra put it into standard form. That's it. All right, let me know if you have any questions.